Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to select all of the checkboxes in an HTML form. So first, I'm going to add a script, JavaScript code inside a head tag. And now I'm going to define our function. Check boxes, and we are going to pass in form name, and inside our function we are going to use a for loop to loop through all the checkboxes and check its property or set its check property to true. For I set to 0, I less than our form option length, and I plus plus our form option. We are going to select each option and set its check property to true. And now I'm going to add another function, uncheck boxes, to uncheck those. This will be function uncheck our form. And same way we are going to loop through and I plus plus our form option. Select each option and set its property check to false. Inside the body tag, I'm going to add a form and its name set to form. And inside form, I will add input type button value set to check, and on click we are going to call checkboxes. And pass in this dot form, the name of our form. I will copy this line change it. This will become uncheck to uncheck those, and change this to uncheck boxes. And now I'm going to add few checkboxes. And set its name to option. Will be Java. And I'm just gonna copy this line and change this one to Python. Add one more for C++. And one for JavaScript. Now I'm going to open this HTML file in a web browser. I will add a break after the last button. And now we can open in our browser. And here is our HTML page with checkboxes. And here I'm going to click on check button. Those all checkboxes are selected. And now I'm going to click on uncheck. So they are unselected or unchecked. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.